May I come in? Can you call him? You should go home now. I must eat. We all hear these phrases on a daily basis and even use them at times. But have you ever thought about it? What are they? May, might, could, should, would, must. What are these? And when and why do we use them? Well, these words are called modal verbs, and in today's video, we will learn about their importance in English language. Hi there, this is Vani from Ingvarta, and today's video topic is extremely crucial for constructing strong English sentences, and that is modal verbs. But first, let's understand what are modal verbs. So modal verbs, they are like emojis of English language. You know, may, might, could, should, would, they add flavor to what you're saying. They help you to say things more clearly, whether you're talking about something that you have to do, something that you might do, or something that you're able to do. So let's get started. Let's start with can. So can is like a magic word in English. It gives you a power to do something. For instance, if I'll say, I can speak in English, that means I have the ability to speak in English. Similarly, if you say that I can sing or I can cook, that means you have the ability to sing or the ability to cook. So can basically is a word that gives you the power to express your capabilities. So whenever you say I can do this or I can do that, that means you have the capability or the ability to do that thing. Now can is also used to ask for permissions. For instance, if I say, can I eat this ice cream or can I go for the movie? So I am basically asking for someone's permission. Like, can I go for this movie or not? Or can I eat this ice cream or not? Let's move on to could. Now imagine that you are at your friend's place and you want to borrow a book. So instead of saying, can I borrow this book? You can say could. You can use could. You can say, could I borrow this book please? So you are asking for a favor, you're making a request, but you are sounding polite and you're asking it nicely. Could is also used to express a past ability. For instance, I could dance when I was a 10-year-old kid. So basically, I am talking about a past ability. Like when I was a 10-year-old kid, I could dance then, not right now. Next up is shall. Now, shall is used when you are asking for someone's advice. You are asking for someone's suggestion. For instance, if I ask someone, shall we go for the movie tonight? Or shall I switch off the AC? So I am asking for someone's advice. I am asking for someone's suggestion. Now, shall is also used to show a strong determination towards anything. Like when I say, we shall overcome this issue, come watch me. Or we shall win the match no matter what. So I am determined that, we will win the match. Moving ahead to should. Now, should is used when you are giving your advice to someone. For instance, if I tell my friend, you should start studying for your exam. So I am giving my advice. I am giving him a recommendation that he should start studying for the exam. So should is a great way to give a recommendation or offer your concern. Let's talk about will. Now, will is used when you talk about the future, when you plan to do something in the future. For instance, I will go to the supermarket tomorrow, or I will become a doctor one day. Will is also used when you want to make promises and commitments about your future plans. For instance, I will help you when the time comes, or I will pay for this operation. Moving ahead to would. Now, would is used when you want to sound polite. It adds a touch of kindness to whatever you're saying. For instance, would you please help me with this work? Or would you please pass me this book? Now, would is also used to express conditional mood, like a hypothetical situation. Like you would do this thing if a particular condition is met. Like you did this because this thing happened. For instance, had I won the lottery, I would have bought a car. Or had the police arrived on time, they would have caught the thief. Would is also used to talk about a past ability, something that you were able to do but in the past. For instance, I would dance all day when I was a kid. So I am talking about my past ability. May. Now, may is all about permissions. Remember, during our school time, we used to take our teachers' permission all the time. Like, ma'am, please may I come in? Or, ma'am, please may I go to the washroom? Or, ma'am, please may I sit here? So what were we doing then? We were basically asking for her permission. So may is a great way to sound respectful, to offer your respect to someone. May is also used to show possibilities. He may come to the wedding, or it may rain today. So like it is a chance that it may rain today. Next up is must. Now must is used to show strong advice. For instance, if I say you must study for your exam, it is important for you to study for your exam, right? Or if I say you must eat your medicines, like you have to eat your medicines. Now must is also used to show responsibility, something which is important or necessary. For instance, I must complete my homework on time, or I must reach my office on time. So it is my responsibility to reach my office on time. It is very important. Lastly, we have might. So might is all about possibilities, but a 50-50% possibility. When you are not 100% sure about something, you're only 50% sure. So when I say it might rain tomorrow, so I am just 50% sure. I'm not 100% sure. It might rain tomorrow. It might not rain tomorrow. So might is used for that. So basically these were all the modal verbs. I hope they were easy enough for you to comprehend. In case if there is any doubt, any questions, do mention them in the comments below and we will take it up there. So this is pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, then give it a thumbs up. I will see you very soon in my next video. Till then, bye, take care and happy learning.